Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. This is my CVS haul for this week. Everything you see here was completely free and a $13.92 moneymaker. So if you want to see how I picked up all of these items for free this week, keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first deal we're doing is Revlon. It's spend $15, get $5 back. I am picking up 5 of the Kiss Bombs at $6.29. That's going to be $31.45. I'll be using 5 of these $3 coupons. Now, on the coupon, it says the Kiss Bombs are excluded, but they still scan. I have a 5 off of 20 Revlon CRT and a $4 CRT from last week. That's going to take $24 off. I'll be left to pay $7.45, getting $10 back because I'm doing the deal 2 times. That's going to make them all free and a $2.55 moneymaker. Okay guys, so Maybelline is buy 2, get $7 back. My store has 0 tags. So I'm going to pick up one of these brow pencils at $8.49, and I have a $2 digital I'm going to use for that one. I'm also going to pick up one of the pencils down here at $4.99. And for this one, I'm going to be using a $2 coupon I printed from coupons.com. Hopefully it works. I'm going to let you know at the end. I also have a 4 off of 12 Maybelline CRT. So that's going to take $8 off. I'll be left to pay $5.48. I'll get $7 back, making both of them free, and a $1.52 moneymaker. Okay guys, so this is my oral care deal. Colgate is $3.99. Buy 2, get $4 back, and you can do this deal 2 times. I also have 4 of the mouthwashes, and it's $4.49. Buy 2, get $5 back. So I'm going to walk down here and show you the tag. It's $4.49, buy 2, get $5 back, and you can do this deal 2 times as well. So let's walk back down to the other side. So we have 4 of the toothpaste at $3.99. That's $15.96. We have 4 mouthwash at $4.49. That's $17.96. So for all of the products together, that's $33.92. I have a 5 off of 25 Colgate CRT. I'm going to be using 4 paper coupons, so 4 $2 coupons for the toothpaste, and I'll be using 4 $2 coupons for the mouthwash. That's $21 in coupons. I'll be left to pay $12.92, getting $18 back, making it all free, and a $5.08 moneymaker. Okay guys, so the next deal we're doing is the Garnier Fructis. It's 2 for $7. Buy 2, get $4 back. There's a $3 coupon, 3 off of 2. If you have that, you can use that, but I do not have any coupons. I'm going to use $1 off of 1 from coupons.com. There's also a $1 digital coupon, and there's a 1 off of 2 CRT that everyone received this week. That's going to take $3 off. I'll pay $4 and I'll get $4 back, making it completely free. If you have that 3 off of 2 coupon, you're going to pay $2 and you're going to get $4 back, making it a $2 moneymaker for you, okay? Okay, so the next deal we're doing is the Poise deal. It's 2 for $11. Buy 2, get $2 back. I'm picking up 2 again for $11. You can pick up the ultra thin pads or the active pads. They're all 2 for $11. I'm going to be using this 5 off of 2 coupon I printed from coupons.com. I also have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon that's going to glitch and come off. I'll pay $1, but I'll get $2 back, making them free and a $1 moneymaker. Okay, so the next deal we're doing, it's the Boost deal. It's buy 1, get 150% off. Buy 4, get a $10 extra bucks. So $10.99 for 1. Half price, it's going to be $5.49. So for 4 products, it's going to be $32.97. I have a 5 off of 25 protein CRT. I'm going to be using 2 of these 5 off of 2 printable coupons from coupons.com. Those are going to glitch with 2 5 off of 2 digital coupons I have on my account. That's going to take $25 off. I'll be left to pay $7.97. I'll get $10 back, making them completely free and a $2.03 moneymaker. Okay, so this is my spend 30 get 10 deal. I have 2 of the General Mills cereal at $1.99, 1 of the Pop-Tarts at $1.99. Behind them is the purple pack of Tide. That's $4.99. That's the only one that works with the $3 coupon. So that's going to be $30.92 for the 5 Tide and the 3 $1.99 products. I'm going to be using 4 of the $3 coupons for the Tide. You're going to have to pay for 1 separately because you can only use 4 of these coupons in 1 transaction. I have 2 $1 coupons for the General Mills cereal. That's both going to glitch and come off. That's $17 in coupons. I'll be left to pay $13.92, and I'll get $10 back, making them just $3.92 for all of the products. That's 5 Tide and the 3 products at $1.99. Okay, so for my second card, I picked up 6 of the Tide at $4.99. That's $29.94. I used 6 of the $3 Tide coupons. That's taking $18 off. You're going to pay $11.94 and you'll get $10 back, making all 6 packs just $1.94. And remember, you're going to have to pay for 4 and then pay for 2. So, or however you want to pay for it. So, you're going to pick up 6, but you can only use 4 of the coupons in 1 transaction. So pay for 4 packs, then pay for the other 2 packs, and you'll get your $10 back. Okay, guys, so these are my receipts. I'm missing 1. I don't know what I did with it. So everything came off as expected. This one came to $1.40. This one came to $1.85, and this one came to 98 cents. So everything I mentioned came off. I'm not going to show you guys because people have been stealing people's extra bucks, and I don't want that to be me. So everything you see here, let me hold it up. There you go. Everything you see here was completely free and a $13.92 moneymaker, which is amazing. That Colgate deal is amazing. Make sure you do that deal if you have those coupons and those CRTs. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.